Welcome back. You're watching WION World is One with me, Nimisha. Lots lined up for you on the show. Let's get you started with the headlines. Russia urges caution in nuclear rhetoric after US President Donald Trump deploys 2 nuclear submarines near Russia after an online row with former Russian President Medvedev. Kremlin says the upcoming visit of US Special Envoy Steve Witkoff would be important and helpful. Russia claims its air defense system shot down 2 HIMARS projectiles fired by Ukraine in the past 24 hours. Russian forces destroy Ukrainian military airport infrastructure, air defense missile system, drone storage and launch points. The Supreme Court pulls up Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for his remarks about the Indian Army during the Bharat Jodo Yatra in December 2022. Questions Gandhi's choice of words and the platform he used to make his contentious statement. South Korea removes loudspeakers used to blare K-pop and news reports into the north. This as the new administration in Seoul tries to ease tensions with its neighbor. Severe weather warning comes into effect in parts of Britain and Ireland as Storm Floris brings strong winds and rainfall. Authorities in Portugal restrict access to some woodland areas while banning bonfires, fireworks and the use of electrical equipment in forests. Issue heatwave warnings with high risk of fires in large parts of the country in the coming days.